Assalamu alaikum, this is me Rabia and today we are writing counting from 21 to 30. Let's start. Two one 21, 22 22, 23 23, 24 24, 25 25, 26 26, 27 27, 28 28, 29 29, 30. Let's start writing. We will write 2 in the tens box and 1 in the unit box. 21 21, and what comes after 21 21? 22 22, and what comes after 22? 23 23, and what comes after 23? 24 24, and what comes after 24? 25 25, and what comes after 25? 26 26, and what comes after 26? 27 27, and what comes after 27? 28 28, and what comes after 28? 29 29, and what comes after 29? 30. We will write 3 in the tens box and 0 in the unit box below the 9. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.